This is just it. It comes out like this and it's so juicy, spicy, and so nice. This is Suya chicken, whole Suya chicken. Please, let's dive into the video. I have two whole chicken here. So what I'm going to do is to cut it at the back side. Yeah, you can use your knife and do it, but I tried doing it with the scissors and it worked very well for me. So I'm going to cut them in two and wash them very, very carefully or thoroughly with the lemon that I have there. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. I'm so glad you tuned. Today we are going to be making whole chicken suya. I used to be fascinated while growing up seeing all this malam in the northern part of Nigeria. In fact, every part of Nigeria, malams are there making suya, chicken suya, giza suya, any type of gray. Yeah, if I see them make this whole chicken gray, oh my goodness, I'll just be looking. How could they make this thing look so nice, so juicy, delicious, tasty, spicy? In fact, it is very, very delicious. Yeah, I always wanted to have one full chicken. But who dash monkey banana? How can you shop one full chicken? It is not possible. So in my house, we enjoy whole full chicken too, like this, mostly at weekend. So today I decided to make that whole chicken, whole suya chicken. I finished washing them very well and here they are. I'm going to pat them very well of water. You have to make sure that there is no moisture there. If not, when you are marinating or rubbing it over with the suya spices, they will be gumming or not just the way you want it. So make sure you pat out all the water in it. After that, I'll go ahead with my suya spice. Yeah, this one I got it from home. Yeah, so it's originally made from home. I will make sure I use this fork and drive in through them. This is just for the suya spice to be able to penetrate in the chicken. You can use chicken hammer. There's what they call chicken hammer. They use it to hit the chicken until it become a little weak so that the spices will get in it very well. But I don't have that hammer. I make use of fork. Sorry if you're not feeling well. This chicken is already dead. I didn't kill it. All right, joke apart, let's continue. After driving it in, I'll go ahead and rub it the chicken spices. That being done, I just wear my glove. Please wear glove because the paprika or the red chili that they use to make this suya, wherever it touches, it's difficult to go away. Besides, it's very spicy. You don't want to put your hand in your eyes or other places. You'll regret it. So I just wore the glove, and start patting gently the suya spice in every part of the chicken. Just pat them very well and slap it to get in very well. The thing is that this chicken, suya chicken, after I finish patting them with the suya spice, I left them in the oven overnight. Hey, I left them there overnight. That was another reason why this chicken suya tasted so good. Yeah, I was like, will it not spoil? Let me put it in the fridge. I said, no fridge. Our great mothers, they didn't have fridge. They would just leave it outside there. Everything will be naturally good. So I just left it in the oven overnight and it stayed there. The next morning, I grilled it. Oh, try this. You will like it. You will really like it. So that is it. I'll go ahead and pat it until every part of it is well coated with the suya spice. So keep watching. Have you liked the video? Please give me a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. So let's keep watching. So everything is well done now. Look at how they are sitting very good as a good chickens. One day all the chicken will pursue me, eh? So this is how I left it in the rack, as I said before, overnight in the oven. And in the morning, everything was intact. So I grilled it just like this for 45 minutes. This is how it is looking. I covered it with foil because I don't want it to get too brown or burnt. So now I'm just going to flip the other side of it so that the other side of it will cook. Remember, you decide how you want this chicken suya to be. Normally it have to be juicy. It doesn't need to be so dried. This is not dried chicken for cooking soup or for cooking stew. You have to leave it to be juicy like this. So you see how they are looking, they are doing very well. So cover it with the foil because it helps or protect it from getting burnt. So I will put this back to the oven to grill again for another 45 minutes. I think I use 1 hour. 1 hour plus to grill it. Yes, so you can grill it how many minutes you want or 1 hour plus. So they are very ready now. I am just sprinkling them with suya spice again so that the thing will be authentically. So tell me, how do you see this? You can accompany it with a vegetable or fruit. I'm using cucumber, tomato and onions, and this is it. Oh goodness, this is how I like it. See, the oil is still dribbling. Yeah, you have to be just like this. The test was epic. Try this and tell me how it came out. Thank you so much. Give me your thoughts in the comments section. Did you eat this chicken suya while growing up at home? I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.